Hello everyone, welcome back to Akanksha E-Learning Solutions. This is Geeta from Akanksha E-Learning Solutions. Today, we are going to see a verb form. So, which is the main verb in Kannada is Iru. What is Iru? Iru means to be. It has two forms. In this video, I'm going to mention one of them, and the Iru form which I'm going to mention here is the definite constructions of the sentence. So as I have mentioned here, Iru means to be. It has two forms mentioned in the list is for first form, which is also used for definite constructions of sentences. All right. Let's discuss the singular first. What is singular and plural? Okay. The singular means we use for one person or one thing or a single person or a single thing. Now in the Iru form, if I take for the definite one, for that we use Nanu, Idini. Nanu means I, Idini means there. So I am there, Nanu, Idini. For example, right now I am in the class teaching you. So Nanu class alli Idini. And you're watching the video, Nanu video nodta Idini. Like that. Now, if you are using Neenu as a pronoun, you should use IDA. Example, Neenu classally IDA. If it is Ivanu or Avanu, it should be Idane. If it is Ivalu and Avalu, it should be Idale. If it is Idu, Ide, Adu, Ide. Now, what if the person name, like for example, Ramesh is in class. So you should say Ramesh classally Idane. Sita classally idale. Pustaka table mele ide. All this. Now, what's the plural of it? Now, if we see here, the plural of it is Bahuvachana in Kannada. If it is Nanu idini, then it should be Navu idivi. Then it should be Neevu idiri. Avaru idare. Ivaru idare. Avu ive. Ivu ive. Okay. Now, let us take one particular sentence. Okay. Then we will take it with the singular and plural, this idini or ide form. Now, iru, as I told you, it's a definite form. Now, for example, nanu classally idini. If it is navu, classally idivi. So, classally won't change. Only the pronoun and the verb is changing here. ನೀನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೇ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀರಿ ಅವನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆ Now, so try to translate this. I'm in the class. Answer is ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. We are at bus stop. ನಾವು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. You are at home. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀರಿ. They are at work. ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. She is in the school. ಅವಳು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. He is in the library. ಅವನು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So library Kannada word is Pustakalaya and school Kannada word is Shale. They are in project. Avaru project alli idare. It is on table. Adu table mele ide. Those are on chair. Avugalu chair mele ive. Manager is in cabin. Now you have a question. So who is manager? It's depend whether you respect your manager or not. If you are respecting, then manager cabin nalli idare. Books are in cupboard. Pustakagalu ಕಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆ. ಸೊ ಕಬರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪಾಟು ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸೊ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾರ್. ಫೈಲ್ಗಳು ಡ್ರಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆ. Do you know what's the word for file in Kannada? It is kadata. Now, replace this word manayalli with the below sentences. So instead of manayalli, you can use office nalli. ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಊರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Right? So this is all about today's session. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any queries about Iru form, which is the definite form, you're free to comment in the comment box your questions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my sessions. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye all.